Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. And today we're going to start our specials or the products that we will be selling off the carpet cleaning world. And today we're going to talk about the carpet cleaning world stair tools. So the first one I'm going to show you is the new Swivel 1.5-inch stair tool, which is this one right here. All right, real nice. Let me pull this out here so I can show you guys. All right, so now this is the 1.5-inch. So the swivel is up here. Swivels real nice for you guys that have portable equipment, or you prefer a 1.5-inch even for your truck mount. Now here's the end of it. Has a nice sturdy handle, and here's the swivel on the 1.5-inch. It's up here. So when you have to turn it around and you have to do steps, this nicely swivels right here for you, so you can see how this swivels. If you have to turn it to the side, swivels nice and easy. Now, why these swivel tools are so nice is because, unlike ever before, you have control over it. You can control it. So you can do like this, and you can swivel it. Nice and easy to adjust any angle. If you have any weird shaped steps or circular steps, depending on what type of steps you're cleaning, this is nice. And it swivels all around. So this tool right here, this is our 1.5-inch. This goes for $195 plus shipping. And like I said, this is, I can't even explain. I've been cleaning carpets for almost 30 years. And I mean, if we had a swivel like this, when we have to turn it around and do the steps, the lift, the part of the steps, this would have been so much easier because you could maneuver it better. So this one right here, this is our 1.5-inch. And this is $195 plus shipping. Okay. The next one I want to show you is our 2-inch. Now this right here, ladies and gentlemen, this is my favorite. This is the 2-inch swivel stair wand. Real nice, well built. The swivel is close to the head of the wand. So this way, because it's much bigger and because it has the handle up here, this nice handle, you can swivel it close to the end. Now, if you have a truck mount, this is kind of a no-brainer, but this is really nice. And then it has this bend. So if you don't like bending all over to do the steps, it's bended and angled just right. And with this handle, you can control it just ever so nice. As when you see, when I do my next house job, I'm going to show you how this really just works. And this is just so nice. And this handle's adjustable. I want it right here. If you want it lower, you can have it lower. It's up to you. The handle comes sold in the box separately, so you can adjust it to whatever height or weight you are. But guys, imagine turning it around to do the lift of the step, and you have the swivel right here, and you have the handle, and this is so nice. And then also, if you have a truck mount, like most of us, well, I shouldn't say that, like a lot of us do, you can just put the 2-inch hose right on the edge here. You don't have to get a reducer or a leader hose. This makes it so nice. I can't explain. Then the bend on this Stair tool is everything. So you don't have to bend over all the way to the ground to do it. Now this one right here is $375 plus shipping, titanium metal, very nice, and swivels ever so easy. It swivels ever so easy. I can't explain. You know when you're in those tight spots and you have to get the little Stair tool all up in there. Well, this will make it so much easier, and I can't explain to you how much easier it is to do the lift with the bend of on the staircase. So this one right here is $375, and this is a well put together titanium pole with a 2-inch hole, and this one goes. So you got this one for $375 plus shipping, the 2-inch, and you have this one right here, which is the 1.5-inch swivel for $195 plus shipping. Guys, springtime is no longer coming. It's here. So you need to make sure that you have all your tools and gear for the rest of the year. You don't have to go to John Don's anymore. You don't have to go to Interlink Supply anymore. If you're a member of the carpet cleaning world, you can get one of these tools right here. Now, I'm going to take another video of the wand in a minute. I want to do each tool separately so you guys can see it and see how effectively this can work for your business. So you have the 1.5-inch and you have the 2-inch Stair tool right there. If you're ready to order, if you have any questions, now's the time. If you're ready to order, there's the phone number right there. You can call my office and we'll get these right out to you. We'll explain the shipping to you and all of that good stuff. Now, what I didn't tell you was they're customizable. So let's say your colors, like my color is green. I can have this pole painted green for you, and then at the top here we can put your company name. We can make this, we can brand you. We can brand you for an additional cost. So you have your 2-inch or your 1.5-inch, and they are customizable. If you want them branded, just let the girls know in the office what color you want and what your logo is, and you'll have to send it to us, and then we'll get it branded for you. It's up to you. You can set the standard in your target market by branding yourself, by which all other cleaners are judged in your target market. I just wanted to show you the new swivel Stair tools for the carpet cleaning industry, and you can purchase them right here in the carpet cleaning world. Does anyone have any questions before we shut this one down? Does anyone have any questions at all about the Stair tools? All right. Well, thank you. You can give us a call. You can ask us questions when you call us as well. But if you have any questions now, I'm going to give you a few more seconds to type it in, and I'll try to answer it so everyone can see the answer. But otherwise, that's the phone number. Keep in mind, the 1.5-inch is $195 plus shipping. The 2-inch is $375 plus shipping. Give us, can the swivel lock? No, not with the Stair tool. The swivel cannot lock with the Stair tool. But with the wand, when I do the next video in a minute, it does lock. These are brandable, and you can get them with your company colors and your logo placed on the front for an additional cost when you call our office. We can personalize the color and put your logo on the front of it. But the Stair tools cannot lock. The swivel cannot lock. Is there any more questions before we shut this one down? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. The 2-inch swivel wand is $375 plus tax. The 1-inch swivel wand is $195 plus shipping. Sorry, plus shipping. And then if you're ready to place an order, you can give our office a call and we can take your order and get one of these right out to you. Okay? Shipping is normally about $41 for anyone that wants to know. Is the did you mean jet? Is the jet adjustable? Well, let's take a look here. No, it looks like they're set right where they need to be. This is the 2-inch one right here. The swivel's close to the head of it right there. Yeah, I figured you said jet. I wasn't trying to make fun of you, buddy. I make typos all the time. No, the jets are set. They're not adjustable. But it's just a swivel here with the arch on the 2-inch one that makes it so much easier. I can't tell you, for us older guys that have a hard time bending over, how the arch of this tool is going to make all the difference. But then with the handle right here, it's so much easier to control the stair tool than it ever has been before. Even on the 1.5 inch that we have here with the handle, it's so much easier to adjust. And the swivel is up top right here on the 1.5 inch. So guys and ladies, if you want it easier to do stairs, if you want to make your life easier, get one of these new swivel wands, and I'll put the phone number up one more time. Oh, the phone number is up right there. So you guys can call our office today. The prices, I told you, $195 plus shipping for the 1.5 inch here. And for the 2-inch, it's $375 plus shipping. And we can get one of these right out to you. All right. The carpet cleaning world is not just a place that you can get marketing, advice, and knowledge anymore. You'll be able to purchase the newer tools, the good tools that can do one thing: help brand yourself and make you some money. All right. I'm getting ready to do the next one for the wand. That's the Dang Pro wand that we have. So stay tuned. But if you're ready to get your stair tool, give us a call. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.